Today, I'll show you how to properly clean your water cooler using the new ReadyRefresh water cooler cleaning kit. The kit includes a pair of nitrile gloves, a scrub pad, and a 4-ounce container of 3% food-grade hydrogen peroxide. You'll also need a few household items for the cleaning process: a clean 1-gallon empty container, some dish soap, and a clean cloth. As a warning, peroxide may be an eye irritant, so you may want to get yourself some eye protection. Also, make sure to read the precautions on the hydrogen peroxide label before using, and keep the kit out of reach of children. Let's get started. First, switch off the hot tank from the rear of the cooler and disconnect the cord from the outlet. Second, remove the bottle from the cooler. Then remove your spill-proof adapter. Next, remove the baffle. Drain all the water from the reservoir through the cold spigot only. Now, put on the nitrile gloves. Pour the entire 4-ounce bottle of hydrogen peroxide solution around the interior walls of the reservoir. Remember to avoid contact with skin, eyes, and clothing. Also avoid pouring the solution directly into the left side or hot inlet. Dispense a small amount, 1 ounce of solution, through the cold faucet. Scrub the entire reservoir surface with the scrub pad. Make sure to avoid introducing the hydrogen peroxide solution through the hot inlet. Now, let the product sit for 10 minutes. Take the spill-proof assembly and baffle to the sink. Wash them with dish soap and a scrub pad. After thoroughly washing and rinsing with clean potable water, allow them to dry. Fill the reservoir with 1 gallon of clean potable water and rinse it by draining the water through the cold spigot. Repeat this step with a 2nd gallon of potable water, flushing it through the cold spigot. Remember not to dispense water through the hot side. Next, reinstall the baffle and then reinstall your spill-proof adapter on the cooler. Now, with a damp cloth, wipe the neck of your new bottle. Then place your new bottle on the cooler. Drain a 1/2 gallon of water through every available faucet, cold, room temp, and hot. If you detect any off taste, repeat the draining process through each faucet. Now, reconnect the power cord into the wall outlet and switch on the hot tank. Remember, after handling hydrogen peroxide, make sure to wash your face, hands, and exposed skin thoroughly. And there you have it. Your water cooler is sparkling clean, and you can now enjoy fresh, great tasting water. For exclusive deals, or if you're interested in trying our other products, visit our website or click the link in the description below. Cheers to clean and refreshing water.